Beyond the orbit of our planets lies more than empty space. There is distance without mercy, silence without witnesses, and a scale that refuses to bend to human dreams. For as long as humans have looked upward, we have imagined departure, leaving Earth, leaving gravity, leaving limits behind. We imagine starships crossing the dark, civilizations spreading between suns. But the universe tells a quieter story, a story where leaving the solar system is not a matter of effort, but of impossibility.
Our nearest neighboring star system is Proxima Centauri. On a cosmic map, it appears close. On the human timeline, it may as well be unreachable. Why? Why does the nearest star remain forever distant, no matter how advanced our technology becomes? The answer is not found in ambition or innovation. It is found in scale, a scale that transforms progress into insignificance.
Distance in space does not behave like distance on Earth. A light year is not an abstract concept. It is a measurement of reality. Light, the fastest thing that exists, travels nearly 10 trillion kilometers in a single year. Proxima Centauri is more than 4 of those years away. Even at speeds far beyond anything humans have achieved, the journey would span thousands of years. Not generations, civilizations. The spacecraft would continue long after its creators became history, long after Earth itself may have changed beyond recognition.
Advanced engines cannot negotiate with physics. To travel at a meaningful fraction of light speed requires energy on a scale that rivals stars. Protection against radiation that turns space into a weapon. And defenses against particles so small yet so fast they strike with catastrophic force. At extreme speeds, space itself becomes lethal. Acceleration is dangerous. Deceleration is equally unforgiving. The universe does not compromise.
Our solar system is vast, far larger than most people realize. Beyond the planets lie regions of ice and debris stretching for trillions of kilometers. Then comes interstellar space, cold, empty, and indifferent. Voyager 1, the most distant human-made object, has been traveling for decades. And yet, on the scale of stars, it has barely begun its journey. This is not a failure of engineering. It is a demonstration of reality. In space, time becomes the true obstacle. A mission to another star would require patience beyond biology, beyond memory, beyond continuity. By the time a vessel arrived, the world that launched it would no longer exist. Space does not rush. Stars wait billions of years to change. Human timelines dissolve in that silence. What feels like motion to us is stillness to the cosmos. We are explorers, but only within a boundary
drawn by nature. We can study distant galaxies. We can detect planets orbiting other stars. We can listen to ancient light. But crossing the interstellar gulf was never promised. The solar system is not a stepping stone. It is our horizon.
The universe does not block our path. It does not forbid us from trying. It simply exists on terms that cannot be altered. Perhaps humanity's role is not to leave the solar system, but to understand it, to observe, to question, to remain curious from a small world orbiting an ordinary star. And in that perspective, we may finally see our place clearly.